If you've lost access to your OnlyFans account and can't use your email to recover it, follow these steps to regain access quickly. This guide will help you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the OnlyFans login page. Go to the OnlyFans website and click on the login option. This is where you will start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your username. Instead of your email, enter your OnlyFans username in the provided field. This is crucial for identifying your account. Step 4. Use alternative recovery options. If you don't receive a password reset link, check for alternative recovery options. This may include verifying your identity through a phone number linked to your account or answering security questions. Step 5. Contact OnlyFans support. If all else fails, reach out to OnlyFans customer support. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account to help them assist you in recovering it. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your OnlyFans account without needing access to your email. Good luck!